At the front, the 2026 Maserati MC20 strikes a commanding pose with its signature trident emblem, aggressive grille, and sleek LED headlights. Aerodynamics and elegance blend flawlessly into a low, sculpted nose. The comfort seats are heavily bolstered, offering excellent support during sharp maneuvers while remaining plush enough for long drives. Finished in premium leather with contrast stitching, they exude sport luxury appeal. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring dual digital displays for both infotainment and driver-focused data. Touch controls, carbon trims, and ambient lighting enhance the futuristic yet elegant interior. Under the hood, the MC20 boasts a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 Nettuno engine pushing out over 620 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds, delivering an exhilarating ride. From the front, the MC20's design radiates confidence, blending aggressive stance with graceful curves. It's a true symbol of Italian engineering, beauty, and high-octane passion.